Is if this is a JE question, if P is equal to 1, 1, 2, alpha 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, if P is equal to this, is adjoint of 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix A, and determinant of A is equal to 4, then alpha is equal to dash. Option A 4, option B 11, option C 5, option D 0. Let's see here. This is the question. What was the question here? If P is equal to the matrix as given, okay, important question, JEE question. JEE previous year asked question. If P is equal to, listen to me carefully. If P is equal to 1, 1, 2, alpha 3, 4, 3, 3, 4 is the adjoint of a matrix A. P is the adjoint of A. Means they given adjoint matrix. They not given the matrix here. What they given? Adjoint matrix they given. Understand? They given adjoint matrix of A and determinant of A is 4. Not this determinant 4. Okay, you have to find what is the alpha. Right? So we have the properties. Tell me one property of adjoint and determinant related. Tell me one property, fatafat. See here, I just tell you simply. Here P is equal to what? Adjoint A. Right? P is equal to adjoint A. Oh, determinant of adjoint A formula is what? Determinant of adjoint A. Formula. Yesterday I gave no proofs also I told. What, sir? What? Determinant of A raised to n minus 1. That's it? Yes? Okay, then determinant adjoint A is equal to determinant of A power, this is 3 by 3 matrix. A is the 3 by 3 matrix is said. A is which matrix? 3 by 3. So here 3 power minus 1, 3 power minus 1. Sorry, determinant of A power 3 minus 1. 2? 3 minus 1, 2 hai na? What is determinant of A given? So what is the determinant of adjoint matrix? Adjoint matrix means P. This is equal to how much? 16. Means determinant of P is equal to 16 means can you do the determinant of that matrix? What do you do here? 1 into 12 minus 12 minus alpha into 4 minus 6 plus 3 into 4 minus 6. Right? So determinant of P is 16 is equal to 1 into 0 minus alpha into minus 2 plus 3 into minus 2. Right? Okay. Yes, tell me, sir. This is I get 16, this minus 6 and this at plus 6 is equal to 2 alpha. 18 is equal to 2 alpha.
22 is equal to 2 alpha.
22. Testing. Alpha is equal to 11. JEE previous year question this is. So let K be a positive real number and A is given this matrix and B is given that matrix is given that determinant of adjoint A plus determinant of adjoint B is equal to 10 power 6. Then greatest integer k is equal to dash. Greatest integer k is equal to dash. Okay, this is what they given. This is a JEE question. He's saying the note as adjoint M denotes the adjoint of the square matrix M. Okay, it is the given, that's it. So here let k be a positive real number and let a is this one, b is this one. Determinant of adjoint a plus determinant of adjoint b is equal to 10 raised to power 6. We have to find the greatest integer k. Right? Have done? Completed, sir? Huh? Start kare? Huh? Okay, see. What is the determinant of adjoint A formula? Determinant of adjoint A. Determinant of adjoint A is determinant of A raised to power n minus 1. And this is nothing but is saying determinant of, this is only that. But they given in spelling. Adjoint, determinant of adjoint A plus determinant of adjoint B is 10 power 6. Determinant of adjoint A is A raised to power, that is 2. This is 3 by 3 matrix. So 2. A square plus determinant of B square is equal to 10 power 6. See, this is 0, 0, 0. Which matrix? 0, 0, 0. Picture reverse minus, minus, minus. Skew symmetric matrix. Determinant of skew symmetric matrix is what? Determinant of skew symmetric matrix is 0. I explained already. Okay, first, second point only that. So, determinant of A square is equal to 10 raised to power 6. It means here, determinant of A square is equal to 10 power 3 whole power 6 whole power 2. It means determinant of A is equal to 10 cube. Correct? What I have to find now? I have to find determinant of A. So let's solve this one. Determinant of A, find it. Okay, cool. See, exponents are equal, then bases are equalated. I did not do square root on both sides. Okay? So A is equal to what? A is equal to what? 2k minus 1, 2 root k, 2 root k, 2 root k, 1 minus 2k minus 2 root k, 2k minus 1. What is our target? Making 2 zeros. You have to make 2 zeros. 2 0 how to make here? Can I write as C2 as C2 minus C3 or C3 as C2 minus C3? Anything. Okay, C2 as C2 minus C3 I am doing. Okay. If I do that, what I'll get? See here, determinant of A, this is 2k minus 1, 2 root k minus 2 root k. We'll think of making 2 zeros first. C2 minus C3, this is 0. C2 minus C3, 1 plus 2k. C2 minus C3, 2k minus हाँ अच्छा ओके so 2 root k minus 2k minus 1 I have to take one more 0 so can I do this subtraction huh? So I'll write as R2 implies R2 minus R3 right A is equal to 2k minus 1 0 2 root k R2 minus R3 हाँ तो 4 root k 0 R2 minus 2k plus 1 this is same as it is however I got 2 zeros using this I can open the determinant by the way we will find this value of k you have to find what k greatest integer of k greatest integer function I explained or a greatest integer function I did not explain so how you did permutation combinations there I not explained greatest integer now if you open the determinant what are you going to get as a determinant of a is equal to 2k minus 1 yeah this one from this side if you are opening this row and column gone okay 2k minus 1 into minus 2k plus 1 minus 4 to 8 na 8k root k into root k is k so what I am going to get
Whole into 2k plus 1. You must take that also. You must take that also. No? Whole into 2k plus 1.
into 2k right all into 2k plus 1 right we have to multiply with this number also right
And the minus sign is minus 1 to the power.
acha yeah this is what is this c 3 2 so minus you will get so with this minus okay so what you get here this one wholly you will get as 2k plus 1 whole cube right you will get if you simplify that you will get 2k plus 1 whole cube should I write the steps if you want I will write the steps you will get here 2k plus 1 whole square formula you will get and outside 2k plus 1 completely you will get as 2k plus 1 whole cube if you minus multiply inside you will get this is 2k plus 1 whole square and outside 2k plus 1 whole cube so actually we got the equation is what determinant of a square equal to 10 cube right 10 cube na determinant of a square equal to 10 cube okay determinant of a is 10 cube so this will be 2k plus 1 whole cube is equal to 10 cube so 3 same powers are equalated the bases will be equalated powers are equal so 2k plus 1 equal to 10 2k is equal to 9 k equal to 4.5 but is asking greatest integer of 4.5 is how much 4 answer is 4 if you don't know greatest integer value next I will start functions you can listen there and I explained in permutation combination even basic class also I explained not
During that
basic classes I did not explain modulus topic time no